How to search for products on PJ Platinum. The search bar is located at the top of the page and can be found on any page throughout PJ Platinum. The best way to search for items is to use the part number. Our search algorithm is designed specifically to find the exact match when part numbers are used. Additional keywords can be used alongside the part number to provide adjacent or similar products within the results. In some cases, where you may not know the part number and you are instead using a product description, a manufacturer, or a combination of the two, you will want to use the filters bar on the left-hand side of the page to further narrow down your results. Every result shown will include a product image if available, manufacturer, our SKU, a product description, price, availability, and a quantity field with an Add to Cart button. From here, you can add a part directly to your cart. You can either access the cart right away or click to continue shopping. Alternatively, you can click on a result to go directly to the product detail page. On the product detail page, you'll find more product details like item weight, supplier ID, and additional item information or notes. Depending on the product, there may also be cross-reference numbers for many different manufacturers. Below that, you can see current availability at all Palmer Johnson warehouses. If the product is not in stock, you will have options to reach out to us or even sign up for stock alerts for when the product becomes available. You can add this item to the cart directly from the product detail page or add it to a list by clicking the Add to List button. For more information on how to search or questions about PJ Platinum, reach out via PJ Platinum at pjpower.com or 1 800 310 4907.